Hi everyone, my question is what were the attempts made by the author to get his watch repaired? So answer is the author's beautiful watch slipped from his hand and needed repair. First he tried to set it himself by guessing. Next day he went to the cheap jeweler to get it corrected. It worked for a few months but slowly went 13 days ahead of the actual time. Then he went to another watchmaker who oiled and cleaned it, but nothing good he did. The author went to third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh watchmaker, but nobody was successful in repairing his valuable watch. He had spent $2,000 or $3,000 just in repairing, which was more than the original cost of the watch. So thank you, like, share, subscribe. So thank you.